Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today we will do Python tutorial first. So we will do variable today. When you are just starting to learn Python, understanding variable is needed to fundamental and essential concept. Here are some key points to grasp about the variables. First thing, variable. What is variable? A variable in Python is a reserved memory location used to store values. It is like a label box where you can put information and give it a name. Second, variable naming. It's very important as variable names can consist of letters, both uppercase and lowercase numbers, and underscores, but must start with a letter or an underscore. Good practice is very needed for this Python. Use descriptive names that convey the purposes of the variable. Example age, user underscore name, total amount, etc. There are many variables you can name. Variable assignment. Assigning a value to a variable is done using the equal sign. Equal sign. You can see that my underscore variable is equal to 10. Fourth, data types. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare the data type explicitly. It infers it based on the assigned value. Common data types include integer, example 5 or -7. You can write anything like minus, plus, 3 point, 4 point something, etc. String, floating point numbers, boolean. We will do that in explanation in next video. Reassigning variables. You can change the value of variable by assigning it a new value. My underscore variable is equal to 10 and my underscore variable is equal to 20. Use the print function to display the value of a variable. You can print anything with the help of print and then bracket close and write the anything that you want to print. But this is print statement. You know that all because it is the basic thing in the Python. And the comments, add comments to explain your code. Comments start with hashtag. You can write anything with starting hashtag because it will not done with code. You can type anything that you want to and you can explain it but for yourself that you can do anything with that. It will not be considered as a code. Concatenating strings. If a variable holds a string, you can concatenate it with another string using the plus operator. Okay, greeting is equal to hello, name is equal to Alice, message is equal to greeting plus bracket plus name, print is equal to message. Input function. Use the input function to get user input and assign it to a variable. User underscore name is equal to input. Enter your name. Print hello plus user underscore name plus exclamatory. So when you input your name, it will the Python interpreter will print your name, hello, your name, and then exclamatory. Basic arithmetic. Variables can be used in arithmetic operations. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. Sum upon result is equal to A plus B is equal to print sum upon underscore result. You can see in that my next in my shorts video that I have done a calculator with the help of Python in Replit. You can saw that video. It is a short. Remember, the best way to learn is by creating simple programs, experiment and with different data types and gradually move to more complex tasks. Practice is key when learning any programming language. Thank you and subscribe if you like this video.